Some of Americans or in Europe, they are saying 50-50. 50-50 means at end of the month, you are sharing to pay the bills. You understand? You are sharing, pay the bills. Even grocery, it's 50-50. Just because women and men are 50-50 nowadays, maybe we are staying together. We have to share to pay the bills, because not only men, not only a man who can pay all the bills, and your money, you can keep your money. No, 50-50 means you have to share. You have to share grocery half half. You understand, at the house, because it's 50-50. In America they can say it's 50-50. So they, even government says it's 50-50. So you have to share, a woman and a man, you have to share to pay the bills at the house. You understand? That's me. 50-50 means not you are saying 50-50. You understand? A woman and a man, you are working together, but only money you can use, it's money for one person, and you can say you can keep your money. You understand? It doesn't make any sense, because guys, 50-50, it means you are helping your partner to pay your bills, to pay the bills.